Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here to set up for the next week, which is the week of March 11th through the 17th. So a lot is happening this week. My fiance, who is a doctor, finished medical school, and now he is in the match program. So it's a big week for him because he finds out, one, if he matched, and two, where he matched. So those are big days. So I decided that this quote would be somewhat appropriate. It says, "Hold the vision, trust the process." So the match process is strenuous, but overall, I think that as long as we are looking forward and we're both very excited about what happens in our lives, we will be fine. So I decided on that quote. I have a little castle from Super Mario Brothers to kind of tie in the theme, and I decided to go with a little less of an angular theme when it comes to this header for the quote. So I'm also going to do a running task list. I don't think this week is too heavy with tasks, so I think that this should be fine, but I'm going to speed you through and put on some music, and I will see you on the other side to explain it a little bit more. All right, so this is my spread. It took a while to make, mostly because there's just a lot of elements here. And I forgot to go in and do the details on the ground for this, so I'll have to go back in later and do it because I don't have enough time to continue working on this. So I have the quote, "Hold the vision, trust the process." And again, I tried to vary this up so it wasn't as angular as it was for this header. And then "trust the process" is just tiny because I have this over here. I messed up a couple times. I'll have to add some whiteout, which I use a Tombow mono whiteout thingamajig. I can't, dispenser, maybe that's the word. I use that to get rid of the white, to use the whiteout. So I'll be using that over there and over here. Then I have my work tab or my work events in black, and then I have the match day information in this light green, which I use this Muji style pen. If you didn't see my notebook therapy, I'll link that down below and in the card where I show off those pens. So that is how I'm going to do that. And then the rest of the week is a running task list. So for work, for example, I do inbox 0 every day. So I'm just going to go ahead and add those so you guys can get an idea. Instead of writing inbox 0 every day of the week, if it's in a weekly fashion, I do it once a day along here, and then do inbox 0. And on Monday, I would mark it off. Tuesday, I would mark it off, etc. So this is great, again, for running task lists and things like that. So that is my whole setup. The quote was really important for me to like make really bold and proud. So I thought that using one-page spread would be enough. If it's not, you know, I always turn the page and I will continue on to that page. So that's how I like to bullet journal, is really kind of in the moment. So if something I planned wasn't enough, I'll just turn the page and add more. So that is my spread. I hope you guys like it. If you do, leave a comment below. I'm actually inspired a lot by Cindy Grintabaldo's channel, if you guys haven't been able to tell. So I want to start asking questions at the end of these videos, and I really like to hear about them in the comments below. So my question to you for this week is, what type of weekly spread are you inspired by? Are you inspired by Dutch doors? Are you inspired by horizontal layouts? What do you feel yourself being drawn to the most? I really like these running task lists on a simple week, but Dutch doors are my absolute favorite. So let me know in the comments below, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, everyone.